Welcome back to Morphy WhatsApp CRM tutorial series. This is part 2 of the series, and here I will give step-by-step guide on the schedule broadcasts, custom tabs, and templates features of Morphy WhatsApp CRM. Broadcasting message is sending a message to a large number of people simultaneously. In Morphy WhatsApp CRM, you can create a single message or multiple messages to bulk number of WhatsApp contacts. Using the schedule broadcast feature, you can schedule the such bulk sending to a future date and time. This helps you to send automated reminders, promotional updates, or post-purchase follow-ups, all without the need for manual intervention. Another advantage is that you can send to contacts not in your WhatsApp by importing outside contacts saved in a text, Excel, or CSV file. I am planning to send 2 consecutive promotional messages in my broadcast. I will send this broadcast to contacts not in my WhatsApp and that are saved in a text file, and also contacts in some groups and tabs of my WhatsApp. So let us dive into the steps. Click on Schedule Broadcast option in left side panel of main window. You will get the Schedule Broadcast window. To add new schedule, click on Add Schedule Broadcast button. Now you will get Add Schedule Broadcast window. Give a name for the broadcast. Now I will add the contacts to which the message to be sent. First, check one-to-one option and click Upload to import WhatsApp contacts saved in my text file. In the Upload Contacts window, click Upload icon. This is the text file I am importing, with first column having the name and second column with WhatsApp number. You need to note the columns containing phone number and other details in your file for filtering in next step. Now let me browse and choose my text file that contains WhatsApp contacts. Click Open in Browse dialog box. In the next step, select the column containing phone number and click Next. Here, you can further filter out the contacts by removing them. Once the list is ready, click Upload. All the new contacts will be added to the contacts used for broadcasting. Now I need to add further contacts from my WhatsApp groups using Groups option. I will check Groups option. Then choose the Groups from drop-down. To get contacts from custom tabs, check Tabs option. Then choose the tabs. I'm also adding contacts from my labels using Labels option. Similarly, I am adding from my Kanban board. Now the contacts are ready. Then click Next button. Next is composing my 2 simple messages. My message type is message only. I am adding the contents. Use Add Message option to add multiple messages. Now click Next to go to Window Scheduling and Action with more actions and scheduling options. Set actions to be done by the broadcast. Here, I want to add contacts to one of my WhatsApp group, so I am selecting the options needed and then I will select the group. Other settings provided in this window are, here you can also add a minimum and maximum sending delay for each message. Using the pause setting option, you can insert a specified pause time after sending to specified number of contacts. I will keep these settings as default. Next is Scheduling section. Here, choose Immediate Start if you want to start sending immediately. Choose Schedule to schedule the broadcast for later time. Then, choose the date and time from Schedule Date and Time option. Now click Next to go to the last step, Preview Submit. Here, select Confirm. Click Save Schedule. The broadcast will start on the exact time without your intervention. Next feature we are going to explore is custom tabs. What is a tab in WhatsApp? The tabs are used to categorize your WhatsApp contacts based on your preference. Morphy WhatsApp CRM offers various tabs to filter and organize your chats, including default tabs for showing all, unread, favorites, groups, business, official awaiting reply, one-to-one. You can create your own tabs. For example, if I want to get all my Morphymail customers of 2025 to make my follow-ups easier, then I can create a custom tab and add my 2025 customer contacts to that. Let me show you how to do it. To create your own tabs, click Custom Tabs option in left side navigation panel of main window. You will get the tabs window. Here click Add Tag option. You will be taken to Add Tag window. In Add Tag window, give a name for your tab. Give a description. Next, you need to specify the contacts or groups to be added to this new tab. To get the individual contacts, check Chat option, then select and add individual contacts. Similarly, I will add 2025 customer groups by checking the Groups option. I will check labels to add 2025 contacts in my order complete label. Select the label name from drop-down. Now select the contacts and groups as you need. You have Select All option if you need to add all contacts. Also, you can filter the contacts using search words here. Once contacts are selected, click Save button. Now the custom tab, Morphymail, appears in the top panel of main window, along with other default tabs. If I click on it, the CRM filters and shows only my 2025 Morphymail customer contact list. So Custom Tabs helps you to categorize your contacts as you wish for better and easy management. Next feature we are going to explain is templates. Morphy WhatsApp CRM provides you with pre-built message template. You can customize the template content with dynamic data from your CRM, ensuring each message is personalized to the recipient. Templates enable businesses to automate customer conversations and provide a more engaging experience, for example, through interactive message templates with buttons and menus. Now let's create a template with text content and images. Click on Templates option in left side navigation panel. You will get this templates window, which lists and allows you to manage all your existing templates. To create a new template, click on Add Template option. You will get Add Template window. Give a name for the template. Choose for whom you are planning to use this template, one-to-one, groups, or custom tabs. Next, you need to choose the template type to send text message with images. Choose message plus images/videos. Now compose your text message content. Click Add Image option to browse and add images or videos. Here I am adding a video to my message. Now click Save to add it your template collection for later use. In the message composing sections of other features like broadcast, reminders, etc. in Morphy WhatsApp CRM, you can choose these pre-designed templates by clicking the Select Template option in Message Compose section. So, one template can be used any number of times for multiple broadcasts and reminders, etc., making your task easier. See you in next part of the series. Sign up today for our premium services and thank you.